Dear friend, everyone loves eating out, but with the rising prices at restaurants, we have all had to cut back. Wouldn't it be nice to save money by making your favorite restaurant dishes at home instead? Well, now you can with America's Restaurant Recipes. In this 2-volume cookbook, you'll discover the secret recipes for your family's favorite restaurant dishes. As seen on Fox News, Good Morning America, Home Shopping Network, ABC, NBC, People Magazine, and more. New York Times best-selling author Ron Douglas reveals the jealously guarded secret restaurant recipes that have been kept away from the public for years. With these easy-to-follow recipes, you are sure to wow your family and friends with meals that taste just like the Olive Garden, the Cheesecake Factory, Outback Steakhouse, P.F. Chang's, Red Lobster, KFC, and many more. Skip those long lines and enjoy these delicious dishes in your own kitchen. Now, for a limited time only, when you order America's Restaurant Recipes Volume 1, you'll get the Volume 2 cookbook for free. Act now to secure this buy one, get one special offer. Order now and spice up dinner time in your home.
Let's get started. Do you like seafood? If you do you like pasta salads? If you don't like seafood but like pasta salads, or if you dislike salads but like seafoods, I think it does not matter. Give this recipe the chance to turn you around. Actually, let us rephrase that: give experimentation the chance to turn you around. What do I mean by this? I mean that there are, literally, without an ounce of exaggeration, endless opportunities of variation when it comes to food. You can use any ingredient you want to use, and not only that, but you can use any amount of any ingredient, and you can use any amount of that ingredient with any amount of another and another and another. In other words, there are a billion possible ways of cooking something. Yes, you might have to develop your taste buds to really notice the difference, but if you want to, that is entirely possible. Let us go into a simple seafood pasta salad. Actually, let us begin with the ingredients for the salad: 8 ounces. Pasta, sliced olives, 1 small can clove of garlic, 1 small fresh ginger root, Parmesan cheese 1340 gram, or similar bags. In case there are none, simply measure that amount. Bag of frozen mixed seafood. For the dressing you will need, if you have, sesame oil, and if you don't worry. Lemon juice if you want, mayonnaise, olive oil, if you lack it, use other salad oil. This is how to do this dish: cook pasta al dente, meaning not very soft, more firm than soft. The time needed depends on the pasta, but a rule of thumb is, look at the package and subtract 1 minute or 2 from what is specified on it as a good time to cook the pasta. Now do what you usually do with pasta, letting it cool, etc. Chop, then put into a large bowl, the vegetables. The garlic you peel and mince on a grater. Mince a little ginger root, too. Add both to bowl. Drain olives of water and add to bowl. Add pasta to bowl, mixing it in. Remove seafood from freezer, put in a colander, then rinse with cold water, really cold water. Take a large pan. Pour into it oil, olive, or other, enough that the cooking surface is covered. If you have it, add some sesame oil and an equal amount of wine, sushi vinegar. Put a cover on the pan, put heat on medium temp. Until the oil has been heated. When oil is hot, put into the pan seafood, then cover it. Raise the temperature a little. While the seafood is cooking, every once in a while stir it. This should not take more than 5 minutes. Use a spatula to set the seafood on top of the salad. Now, let cool and mix into the salad. Add a couple tablespoons of lemon juice, salt and pepper and Parmesan to taste off. Cover, refrigerate, then eat your salad. The secret recipes for your favorite restaurant dishes have now been revealed in this best-selling new cookbook. Download now in the description below.